In this exercise, we have a right triangle where A is 8 and B is 4, and we want to find C. Give an exact answer and an approximation to 3 decimal places. Well, to do this, we can use the Pythagorean theorem, and the Pythagorean theorem gives us an equation: A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Now, we know that A is 8, and we know that B is 4, and we're looking for C. So we have 8 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared after we make the substitutions. 8 squared is 64, and 4 squared is 16. So we have 64 plus 16 is equal to C squared. When we add on the left side, we get 80, so 80 is equal to C squared. Now, to find the value of C, we take the square root of 80, and we'll take the positive square root because this is a triangle and we're dealing with a length, so it can't be negative. So we say that the square root of 80 is equal to C, and this is the exact answer. And we could use a calculator to approximate the square root of 80 to 3 decimal places. And if we did that, we would get 8.944 is approximately equal to C. So again, this is the approximation of the result.